One tiny equation. Just 5 characters long. Changed the world forever. E equals mc². But what does it actually mean? And why was it once thought impossible? Before Einstein, scientists believed mass and energy were completely separate. The idea that mass could transform into pure energy? Absurd. But back then, physics had some major gaps. Then came Albert Einstein. In 1905, at just 26 years old, he introduced a radical idea. Mass and energy are actually the same thing, just in different forms. With a simple but powerful equation, he proved it. E equals mc². Let's break it down. E is energy. M is mass. C is the speed of light, an enormous number. 299,792,458 meters per second. Squaring that number makes it even more massive. This means that even a tiny bit of mass holds an incredible amount of energy. This equation didn't just sit in textbooks. It transformed the world. Nuclear power, atomic bombs, space travel. All rely on the fact that mass can be turned into energy. Even the stars themselves burn for billions of years thanks to E equals mc². And to think. This impossible equation started in the mind of one man. What other impossible problems are waiting to be solved? Comment below, and don't forget to think, solve, create.